Okay, now we'll do revision. Some key points, not all of them. In chapter 2, which is week 3, computer software. Okay, what is a software? You need to know. By the way, your quiz will be short answers. So, short answers, Shabab, short answer. Software, or called program, is a series of related instructions organized for a common purpose. Okay? It will tell the computer how to process the tasks, how to perform it, and how to interact with the program. The categories of software, we have system software, and the system software has operating system and utility program. What is system software? Consists of the programs that control or maintain the operations of the computer and its devices. Okay? It is the interface between the user and the application software and the computer hardware. That's how you deal with the keyboard or with the screen or with the printer. Okay? Operating system is a set of programs containing instructions that work together to coordinate all the activities among computer hardware resources. Who can give me an example of operating system? Windows 11, or Windows 10, Windows XP before. This is for a standalone computer. What about for server? Windows Server 2019. Windows 7 is a client. Okay. Windows Server 2019 or 2016. What are the functions of operating system? Give me some examples. Starting and shutting down a computer. This is a function. Providing a user interface, and there are different types of user interface. What are they? What do we call the graphic user interface? Show abbreviation. Why you look at me? مكتوب عندي.
يطلع لك الابلكيشنز وشي، اما الثاني يكون كوماند لاين.
Very good. GUI. GUI, okay, graphical user interface. Okay. والثاني ايش؟ What do we call it? What's the abbreviation? CLI. مو مكتوبة, but you need to know. CLI, okay? يعني black screen like this, you know. I'll give you an example. What is this?
Operating system.
This is command interface. CLI يعني ما في menus وأصعب. Okay. What is another function? Managing programs. The operating system is the one who manages. The operating system also manages the programs on your computer, Word, Office, email, so that they don't conflict with each other. Okay?
دكتور انا زي انا اساس امتحان بكتب running many programs.
Managing programs. Not only running, managing them. Who will come here
at the same time?
Yeah. Okay. We have also managing the memory of the computer. Who is managing the RAM, ROM? The operating system. Also, it does monitoring performance. Like what is the CPU, how much is used from the processor. Remember how we get to see this dashboard? Remember I gave you example? Do you remember? No, control shift exit. Control Alt Delete.
بعد في
لا, Control Shift Escape ولا Exit. Very good. Yeah. Depends on the computer. Put your hands together. All right. Very good. All right. Okay. Yeah, very good. Look at this screen here. You see, this is the performance. You see, it will show you how much is the used. What is the processor speed? Okay. We call this Task Manager. Task Manager. Another way to come there is Control Alt Delete, and then you choose Task Manager. Very good. You like to get abbreviations, huh? You like to get these short keys, huh? You like to use them. Okay. Also, it will provide file management. Give me example of file. Yani what do you mean by file management?
Searching for the files. Or
Searching, viewing images. Okay. Uninstalling a program, cleaning disk space. Also, it will administrate security. The network administrator establishes a user account, okay, to access or log onto a computer. This is all done by the operating system. كمل. We gave you example of types of operating system. We talked about standalone, server operating system. The third one is what? Embedded operating system, such as the one for ATM machine, okay, washing machines. ATM يعني ATM هي automatic teller machine. You know what is an ATM. حط فيها الكارت. Another category of software is called utility program. Very important. A utility program allows a user to perform maintenance types tasks related to managing a computer, its device, or its program. And you can use the utility program to transfer digital photos on an optical disk. Okay. Examples of utility programs: search utility, image viewer. Okay. We have also application software such as Microsoft Office, browsers, Chrome, Edge. لا, Google Chrome, not Google alone. Google Chrome. Google is the search engine. You have to be careful. Okay. So when you want to design or when you want to choose your system or which operating system you need to discuss or know what is your compatibility of your server. How much hardware you have, how much RAM, how much hard disk size. Okay. So and you need to know what are the minimum hardware requirements for the operating system. Okay. And these are all the points that you need to know. CPU size, hard disk size, all these things. So this is it for this chapter. I'll stop here.